हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू जयता क्लासेस। और इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए चैप्टर 3 प्लांट किंगडम का नोट्स लेके आया हूँ। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इस चैनल पर अपलोड होने वाले हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिले। तो इस टाइम पे इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए नोट्स की रीडिंग लेके आया हूँ, तो प्लीज़ इसको अच्छे से सुनिए। अगर आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइए, हम इस नोट्स का एक्सप्लेनेशन भी आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। इसका पीडीएफ आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कर लीजिए। प्लांट किंगडम पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर। क्लासिफिकेशन, आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन अ फ्यू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बाई कैरोलस लिनियस बेस्ड ऑन एंड्रोसियम स्ट्रक्चर। नेचुरल सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन based on natural affinities among organisms included external as well as internal features, for example by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. Phylogenetic system of classification based on evolutionary relationships between the various organisms, for example by Hutchinson. Numerical taxonomy carried out using computers based on all observable characteristics, data processed after assigning number and codes to all the characters. Advantage: each character gets equal importance and a number of characters can be considered. Cytotaxonomy based on cytological information gives importance to chromosome number, structure and behavior. Chemotaxonomy बेस्ड ऑन केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स। कीमोटैक्सोनॉमी में स्पेलिंग में थोड़ी सी एरर है, MO की जगह पे MA कर दिया है। इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एल्गा, एटलीस्ट हाफ ऑफ द टोटल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फिक्सेशन ऑन अर्थ कैरिड आउट बाय देम, इंक्रीजेज ऑक्सीजन लेवल इन एनवायरमेंट, मैनी स्पीसीज लाइक लैमिनेरिया, सर्गेसम एटसेट्रा आर यूज्ड एज फूड। Agar obtained from Gelidium and Glaciaria is used in ice cream and jellies. Algine obtained from brown algae or Caragione from red algae used commercially. Chlorella and Spirulina are unicellular algae rich in protein and used even by space travelers. Algae divided into three classes. Algae are unicellular like Chlamydomonas, colonial like Volvox, or filamentous like Spirogyra, are simple, thalloid, autotrophic and occur in water, soil, wood, etc. Help in carbon dioxide fixation by carrying out photosynthesis and have immense economic importance. Chlorophycia, green algae, main pigment is chlorophyll A and B. Cell wall has inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of pectose. Has pyrenoids made up of starch and proteins. Example Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Spirogyra. Phaeophycia, brown algae due to main pigments chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. Cell wall has cellulose and lignin or gelatinous coating of algine. Has mannitol and laminarin as reserve food material. Body divisible into holdfast, stipe and frond. Example Ectocarpus, Fucus, Laminaria. Rhodophycia, red algae due to pigments chlorophyll A, D and R phycoerythrin found on surface as well as great depths in oceans. Cell wall as cellulose. Reserve food materials is Floridian starch. Example Polycyphenia, Porphyra, Gelidium. Reproduction in algae. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction. Flagellated zoospores in Chlorophycia. Biflagellated zoospores in Phaeophycia. By non-motile spores in Rhodophycia. Sexual reproduction isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous, Chlorophycia and Phaeophycia. By non-motile gametes in Rhodophycia. Bryophytes, amphibians of plant kingdom, occur in damp, humid places. Lack true roots, stem or leaves. Main plant body is haploid. Economic importance, food for herbaceous animals. Sphagnum in form of peat is used as fuel and also used for transshipment of living material as it has water holding capacity, prevents soil erosion, along with lichens are first colonizers on barren rocks. Is divided into two classes: liverworts, thalloid body, dorsiventral, for example Markensia, and mosses have two stages in gametophyte: creeping green branched filamentous protonema stage and the leafy stage having spirally arranged leaves, example Funaria. Reproduction in bryophytes: vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, asexual reproduction by gemma formed in gemma cups, sexual reproduction by fusion of antherozoids produced in antheridium and egg cell produced in archegonium. This results in formation of zygote which develops into a sporophytic structure differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. Spores produced in a capsule germinate to form free living gametophyte. Pteridophytes: main plant body is sporophyte which is differentiated into true stem and leaves. Leaves may be small microsporophyll as in Selaginella or large macrophyll as in ferns. Sporangia having spores are subtended by leaf-like appendages called sporophylls. Sporophylls may be arranged to form stabili or cones. In sporangia, the spore mother cells give rise to spores after meiosis. Spores germinate to form haploid gametophytic structure called prothallus, which is free-living, small, multicellular and photosynthetic. Prothallus bears Antheridia and Archegonia, which bear antherozoids and egg cell respectively, which on fertilization form zygote. Zygote produces multicellular, well-differentiated sporophyte. The four classes are Psilopsida, Psilotum, Lycopsida, Selaginella, Phenopsida, Equisetum and Pteropsida, Pteris. Heterospory: two kinds of spores, for example large macro and small micro. Spores are produced, example Selaginella and Salvinia. Seed habit: the development of zygote into young embryos takes place within the female gametophyte which is retained on parent sporophyte. This is an important step in evolution and is found in Selaginella and Salvinia among the pteridophytes. Gymnosperms have naked seeds as the ovules are not enclosed by any ovary wall and remain exposed. Male cone has microsporophylls which bear microsporangia having microspores which developed into reduced gametophyte called pollen grain. Female cone has megasporophylls which bear megasporangia having megaspores which are enclosed within the megasporangium nucellus. One megaspore develops into female gametophyte bearing two or more archegonia. Pollen grains carried in air currents reach ovules, form pollen tube which reach archegonia and release male gametes which fertilize egg cell and form zygote which produce embryos. Ovules develop into seeds which are not covered. Angiosperms called flowering plants and have seeds enclosed in fruits, divided into two classes: dicotyledons have two cotyledons and monocotyledons have one cotyledon. Smallest angiosperm Olphia, largest tree Eucalyptus. Stamen has filament and anther. Anthers bear pollen grains. Pollen grains have two male gametes. Pistil has stigma, style and ovary. Ovary has ovule in which female gametophyte embryo sac develops. Embryo sac has 7 cells and 8 nuclei, 1 egg cell, 2 synergids, 3 antipodals and 2 polar nuclei which fuse to form secondary nucleus. Pollen grain is carried by wind, water, etc., reaches to stigma and produces pollen tube which enters embryo sac. Double fertilization: one male gamete fuses with egg cell to form zygote which develops into embryo. Other male gametes fuses with secondary nucleus which forms triploid primary endosperm nucleus (PEN). PEN develops into endosperm which nourishes the developing embryo. Ovules develop into seeds and ovaries into fruits. Alternation of generation: haploid gametophytic and spore producing sporophytic generation alternate with each other in this process. Haplontic: gametophytic phase dominant, for example Chlamydomonas. Diplontic: sporophytic phase dominant, example angiosperms and gymnosperms. Haplodiplontic: intermediate like stage where gametophytic and sporophytic stage partially dominate at different stages, for example bryophytes and pteridophytes. Exceptions: Ectocarpus, Polysiphonia are haplodiplontic algae, Fucus is diplontic alga. तो दोस्तों वीडियो यहीं पे समाप्त होता है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। फिर मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में।